Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to be reviewing a roofing kit that I got in the mail today. Now you're supposed to take it out of the box right away and let it lay out on a floor for hours, so I cleared out a spot here upstairs. I'm going to lay it out. It's a Class A Customs RV camper rubber roofing. It's 9.5 foot by 10 foot long. The reason why I got it, and only a patch of it, is because I don't know what underneath the roof looks like. It might be bad, it might be good. So I just bought the 9.5 by 10, and I'm going to remove my AC unit on the roof and put a vent in place of the AC unit. So it was $180 off of Amazon. I figured that if the roof doesn't leak, I think it might leak around the air conditioner a little bit, but it's not wet or nothing. I just don't want the air conditioner. It works fine. So if anybody wants that too, get a hold of me. I don't want it. But it's supposed to be pretty good. It comes with the caulking, the glue, the strips. Like I said, it was $180 on Amazon. I think it was worth it. We'll see what happens. You know, I'm kind of taking a chance, but I've never done one. I think I can figure it out. And it ships folded in a box, so you have to hurry up and get it out. That's what I'm doing now. I'll lay it out on the floor. One side's textured. Comes with the self-leveling tubes too. It comes with 4 of them, I believe, and a bucket of glue. It's EPDM roofing. A lot of good write-ups on it, I guess. They say it lasts 20 to 25 years. I don't know. I'll never find out because I won't own her that long. I mean, they've been around since the 60s, so that's kind of good. They kind of know what they're doing. But yeah, I'm going to crack it open. See what she looks like. Get it laid out here on the floor. Let it set. It'll be setting for a while. The rain hasn't stopped up here, but yeah, let's cut it open. Well, here it is with the lid cut open. Piece of cardboard there. Everything up in one. I guess that's not too bad. They said it was folded in the box. Kind of looks rolled to me. Well, it must be folded and rolled, not just rolled. There's a box of goodies there. I'm just going to get this thing out of here. This little box it comes in. Quite a bit of glue. Depending on how much, I'm sure it tells you how much to apply. And here's a couple sides. The tubes. 2 tubes of self-leveling sealant. 10.1 ounce. Anybody's ever heard of this type? Class A Customs. That's where this came from. I'm sure there's another name for it somewhere on there. It'll say in the directions. It says when you use this too to warm it up a little bit in the sun, it'll level a little better. So I'll have to remember to do that. There should be 4 of them. 1, 2. What kind of tip is that on there? There's 3. Huh. Those are all there. That's good. Self-leveling silicone caulk. 10.1 flat ounces. Got instructions in the back. Never done this before. We got 4 of them. And the 2 rolls of putty tape. There's 1. All mangled up. I'm gonna have to squeeze these out too and let these set outside somewhere. Lay them flat somewhere on the floor. We'll go back to normal. Those are 1/4 inch thick, 3/4 wide. Go around the outside. I don't know, never done this. I'll be reading the directions, that's for sure. I might even go get some better stuff, add with it, just to go around the new vent. I don't think the new vent came with any sealant or anything. Yeah. Oh, they're 30 inches long too, both of them. That's 60 inches to go around that. 102 by inches. And then 1 gallon of rubber roof adhesive. Alright, well, that's what those are for. That's why they've got the funny little nipples on them. And they gave me 3. I guess I'll have to reuse one. One gallon rubber roof adhesive covers 160 to 200 square feet. So I'll have to figure out what the square footage is and everything and figure out how much I need to use. I want to use all of it, but I want to make sure it gets evenly spread with all of it. So, everything's here so far. Here's the installation instructions. Sand all the wood decking, everything. I want to see if there's any damage up there. I mean, my roof doesn't leak at all, but I'm replacing the vent, so it was resealed in 2019. That's what the guy told me when I bought it. But seems easy enough. Well, there's everything. I'm gonna get this all cleared out here and try to fit that in here and let it lay down. It'll be up here for a couple days, just laying flat. It should be fine. It's sitting on a carpet. It's dry up here. So it's 9.5 by 10 foot wide. I think I can get it in here somewhere. Well, I'm gonna open it up. Well, here's your Class A roofing out of the box. Seems pretty thick. It's white. Absorbed. It says it absorbs a lot here. It's a single-ply membrane. More durable than, I don't know about that. But yeah, it's pretty thick. One side is textured, the other side is smooth. They say put the smooth side down only because so you can walk on it. You don't have to worry about slipping. But I don't know, if you put the textured side down, you think it would glue better. But it seems pretty thick. Really thick. Some of them are white on the other side. That's the dual membrane. There'll be a black one on the inside and a white one on the out. But they were a little bit more expensive. They're around $400 for one of them. So there it is. I'm going to open it up. See what we got. Well, here it is all laid out. Class A custom RV camper. Rubber roofing. 9.5 by 10. The far corner over here. Down that way. It's kind of cut crooked. Hope it doesn't cause a problem. I have to make it straight. Make sure that ends on the back and not on the not on the front. But rolling it out took a while. I did clear this whole room out. Got a couple little bubbles over there I gotta get out. Main reason why you do this is to get these little creases out right here. See? It says right in the directions. Lay it out for a few hours. Well, it's gonna be up here for a few days. You can't see out my window. Finally sunlight. It's been raining for a while. Yeah. So I gotta take a chance when I'm doing this. I want 3 days of no rain. It doesn't seem to happen around here. So yeah, there it is. I'll probably make a video of putting the vent in. And probably installing this also. Never done it before. Don't be too abusive in the comments if I make mistakes, because this is all amateur. Learn as you go, right? That's how you learn. It can't be that difficult though. I'll have to roll it and then put it on the roof, and then as I roll I'll add the glue and squeegee it. Just follow it up and cut the hole in for the vent and install the new vent. They say these last 20 to 25 years. I don't know about that. It might. It was kind of nice. It came in a kit also. It came with the tubes and everything else. But hey, there you have it. Like, subscribe, many more. Later.